Hey guys, I'm here today. It's the 4th of July and we're watching fireworks. So it's not really like the best footage of them, but it's pretty good. I'm recording on my mom's phone right now, so like, for some reason my camera can't record it. Fireworks. What? I'm kind of filming this. Okay. So yeah, my camera can't record. What? Camera can't record fireworks very well, so I'm using this phone. And it's kind of working. So what's behind us? There are some. Ooh! Alright, missed. Pretty good. Oh, more. Yeah, there's more color in it and really stunning in the recording.
Well, before there was stuff right over here really close. I got to shoot some of it. There's fireworks here, 360. Down there,
Alright. There's some right there. I don't know if you guys can really see them. There's some fireworks over there.
Still.
No. There's some fireworks over there. Some over there. Sorry if you guys aren't seeing this very well. But like, oh, I missed the big one. Sorry, the big ones right here. Okay. 5 minutes. We barely like seen anything.
Look over here.
I'm saying it. Those are really close. Yeah, it has much more color than you guys are seeing. It has a lot more color than you guys are saying. Look behind me. There's gonna be a second. There's not gonna be a second one. There's so I'm not sure. Yeah, behind me there's not that much. So I'm just gonna show you the front. Ooh, like that. I don't know where it is, I'm vlogging it. Ooh, let's just record some up. Where? Bro, those are really good. You know you're missing some behind you, right?
Of course, I can't see 360.
Then become an owl. Become an owl.
Look at all the good stuff I'm missing over here.
Father, morph into an owl. This is why I wish that we had a 360 camera right now. Because like it would be really good. Plus,
we can always use a flashlight with the phone.
yeah. Oh yeah, true. Blue. Oh, these are really good. They're better than the ones behind us at the moment. They're better than the ones behind us. Yeah, they kind of are. So, I'm just going to show you guys the front. This is the front view. So guys, my recording is really, really bad. I understand completely. It's really, really bad, you guys. Horrible quality, that good stuff. There's some popping up right here, so I just thought I joked you. I'm going to get my dad's recording just 2 probably of this, and
Over here.
I'm going. I know. Oh, whoa! Sorry, guys, we're missing stuff over here. Ooh, we're missing a lot of stuff. Oh no, which one do I vlog? Which one do I vlog? I don't know. It looks like off from the distance to you guys, because that's how it looks for us. So, you guys are seeing it. So it's the same way it is. And yep. Those perks are very discolored on the camera. I'm sorry about that. It's slightly better though than what I was seeing on my vlogging Lumix camera. That good stuff. That was just being a no-no for fireworks. I don't know why. So yeah, had that issue. Solved it with my phone. Now, and I might upload it like on spot right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do it. I'm gonna upload it like when we get in the car. I'm gonna post stuff. Great footage. Fresh footage. Actually, I'm not gonna post it fresh. I'm going to where I don't have the toolbox on this phone. Yeah, I'm gonna then straight footage. All right. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna upload it straight. Straight footage. Straight raw footage. Great, because I don't have video toolbox on here, so I can't convert files. I can't render it. I can't make it 1080. Well, I can't make it better quality. I can't do anything at the moment. I cannot do anything with this at the moment because it's deciding to be a major butt, and I don't have video toolbox. So yeah, guys, you guys are gonna see a really, really bad recording probably. Almost as bad as H game. Whoa, pretty bad. I'm joking. You've seen this H gamer? I was joking. Kind of. The vlogs are lit. Actually, the vlogs are pretty lit. Yeah, so guys, if you don't know who H gamer is, check out her channel. I put it under my YouTube channel. What? Ooh, looks great over there. And there's probably gonna be a lot of fireworks at home, aren't there? There's like if we're seeing these here. Ooh, I missed a big one right there. Ooh, that might be a good one. Yes, it's a good one. These are really good. These are awesome. Even discolored, it looks amazing on the camera. It actually looks good discolored. Like you guys are missing like really good stuff over here, but like I don't. Wait, I'm just gonna flash between like these two. Are those done? Yeah, I think those are done. I'm gonna shoot over there. There's a lot of stuff going on over there. I'm just checking behind me, so if the camera gets really shaky, it's because I'm looking behind me. Because I'm looking around like crazy. I'm probably gonna have a really good view later. It's like I'm literally turning like crazy here, but while trying to focus the camera. So I'm pretty much trying to do 5 things at once. There's no good fireworks right now. They're all just spotty and dowdy around there. Wait, where? Oh, okay. Wait, where? Anything behind me? No. Right now it's only in the front. Oh, we're getting some big ones again. Some of them big ones. Or those big ones. My English today is not that great. Yep. Alright. Please, can we, let's just stay for 5 more minutes. Mom, come on, there's fireworks, really. Yeah? Alright, can we, alright, like 2 more minutes, like. Alright. You guys, we're gonna have to hike down. Yeah, and we are on the hill of Vista View Park, by the way, because I'm not gonna upload the footage I took on my camera because it lagged out and it corrupted. It corrupts a lot on that card. Well, that card's actually one of my best, but still corrupts, sadly. Alright, they're not doing that much good right now, so, alright, guys, I gotta go, so, bye. I might record when we get home if there's anything good.